Is code troubleshooting necessary after every deployment? Have you ever wondered if code troubleshooting is really needed after every deployment? This is an important question that many developers and teams face. Let's break it down. Yes, code troubleshooting is indeed necessary after every deployment. This practice helps ensure that the software remains stable, functional, and performs well in the production environment. Even if you have conducted thorough testing before deployment, issues can still pop up once the code is live. This can happen due to differences in environments, unforeseen interactions, or gaps in test coverage. Every deployment carries some risk, no matter how small. Changes made during deployment can impact how the application behaves, its performance, or even its security. By treating each deployment as potentially risky, it becomes essential to actively monitor and troubleshoot to catch and resolve any problems early on. Automated testing and continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines help reduce bugs reaching production, but they cannot guarantee that there will be no defects. Some errors only show up under real user workloads or specific conditions in production. This is why post-deployment troubleshooting is so critical. Effective deployment strategies include monitoring key metrics like error rates, response times, and resource usage. Setting up alerts can notify your team if something goes wrong, allowing for quick investigation and troubleshooting. This helps minimize the impact on users. Troubleshooting after deployment is also key for rollback and recovery. It helps identify the root cause of any failures. This information is vital for deciding whether to revert to a previous stable version or apply hotfixes. Having a rollback plan is part of a safe deployment strategy, but troubleshooting guides when and how to execute it. Another benefit of troubleshooting is the opportunity for continuous improvement. Findings from troubleshooting can be used in postmortems or incident reviews. This helps improve future deployments and debugging processes, creating a cycle of learning that is essential for mastering software debugging. To effectively troubleshoot and fix bugs after every deployment, consider these practical applications. Use centralized logging and monitoring tools to gather detailed runtime information. Automate notifications for deployment status and error detection so you can respond promptly. Maintain clear rollback procedures and assign responsibilities for troubleshooting and bug triage. Conduct blameless postmortems to analyze deployment issues and update testing or deployment practices. Lastly, consider using progressive exposure deployment models, such as canary releases or rolling updates, to limit the impact and make troubleshooting easier. In summary, code troubleshooting after every deployment is necessary to maintain software quality and reliability. It complements pre-deployment testing and automated pipelines by addressing issues that only surface in production. This enables rapid response and continuous improvement in debugging skills.